Wow.
Holy hell.
Oh my God.
Look at that. It's not quite making it there. It wants to.
It's struggling.
It's just holding in right there.
It almost did.
Oh, no, look. Is that wide room behind it?
Yeah, I think there's right down there at the ground. Well, we always think it kind of
think-
hit, and then I think the windmill started with the inflow.
Do what?
I think the windmills screw with the inflow of the storm. And I know they do.
They have
So
their
do you
good
think
ones.
maybe it just stopped that from touching down?
Oh, it's.
I think it affects the inflow of it. I think it mixes
Oh, it's trying again.
the air and
You see it?
Yeah, there's a little tail.
It's like it's roping out to me.
I hope it doesn't
Texted
come back
Anthony
down
in a
again.
while, so he's probably freaking out.
Do what?
Nicole,
texted Anthony
Nicole
back in a while, so
texted
he's
us. Did
probably
you see
freaking
that?
out.
She's,
What's this?
Nicole texted us. Camped out at Country Mart.